Hey guys, so I realized I haven't posted in a while As you can see, your girl has been doing a lot of back testing. So I've been sick and I haven't been trading, but I've been back testing since deriv is now on trading view and I have the back testing features. I've been back testing. So I'm going to go ahead and back test this strategy. Showing you guys I've made some changes. I am now trading on the 4 hour time frame. Guys, using volatility. I know a lot of you guys wanted this and I've been back testing it, and yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna edit that video, guys, because me hate to edit the video them I'm posting at the group. Like, it literally drain me energy. So that's why me hardly want to do no video and post. We just edit it. Yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so ICC consists of indication, correction, and continuation, right? Alright, so with the replay tool on TradingView, we can see what happened in the past. Put chart to wherever we want chart to go and play it. So first, I want to start off by knowing where price is, what price is doing, and I'm going to do that by marking out my previous, exaggerate on the word, my previous swing high and my previous swing low. So what was my previous, ask the question, what is price doing? What price day, right? I found this indicator that show you guys how to mark up your chart for you, basically, without you doing it. It name higher higher low live, and me set it figure at the close candle. So me set it for you do the close and opening candle. Alright, so as you can see, price make a lower high. Excuse me guys, I'm sick. So as you can see, price make a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So our swing high would be the most previous lower high and lower low, which was this and this. So we're gonna mark that up. So turn off at this. So I'm sorry about that. So this was my swing, and my swing high, my swing low. Cool. This is on the 4 hour time frame. You're going to draw the line at the closed candlestick. So if you know your high end, because this would be your lower high, we want to see a closed candlestick, one going up, one going down. That's what it down. That's where it end. And for the bottom one, we want to see one going down, the lowest one going down, one going up. I will drag it across. Over to the extreme left, we'll play this tool. Make the candlestick move. Alright, so this is the indication happening. So price indicates right here. Alright, where we see the candlestick stop right there, we know it's right here, so the indication ended. Cool? Because if the indication never end, we wouldn't see price a push back down. Alright, so this basically make a new high. Alright, so we want to see price push back down into the levels and take out. What we want to see now is price to push back down into this level, and anywhere the stop loss for these people today, price I go basically target it. It's called liquidity sweep, because I've been back testing and realizing that volatility 25 loves to target where breakout trader stop loss with a day. So if breakout trader enter here and them have them stop loss here, more than likely it's gonna come down and target it. Or if them have them stop loss under here, so it's gonna come and target them stop loss. More as the price push come back under this level, take out the breakout trader stop loss, aka the liquidity, take out them stop loss, and then one enter when price is back above this white line. So let's see if price is gonna push back and take out the stop loss and play it. And I'm monitoring this on the 4-hour time frame, guys. And I always remember more as the price I make higher highs and higher low. So if you want to see the trend better, you can go down to the 1-hour time frame. I always see that price is making lower highs and lower low. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I want to see price continue doing that. Alright, so price didn't come. Price didn't come all the way under here. So I guess I would miss that one. Because, right, so I wouldn't enter the trade. Because price never come to the level I want price for go. And I just wouldn't confident enough to enter the trade. So we are going to bypass that one. Alright. So let's go back to our 4-hour. Who want enter, me wouldn't enter. Because price never come back to the level I want price to go. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to draw the line right here. Because this now would be our previous swing high, which is a higher high. You can always go ahead and turn on this. That show you that this is a higher high. Alright. And we turn it on. Oh, once the price carry come back down here. Want to see price carry come back down here. It don't look like price will carry back come down there. Let's see. Let's see though. Hold on, pause this. Go down to the 1-hour. Right here, so now it look like a change of character. And that it look like we have a change of character. Because price was making a high. It made a high. It made a lower low. It made a lower high. Lower low. Lower high. And then they make a high. So we have a change of character right here. So what I want to see next is price come and take out this low, because this is basically an indication. So if we person them where would I enter right here, so them would I set them stop loss under here. So someone wants the price come, take them stop loss and then continue. So price come, I guess it I go start take them stop loss, do them liquidity sweep. So once price is back above this level, then we would enter the trade. So yeah. Liquidity sweep taking place. Guys, I'm just gonna stick to one volatility pair and study it, because right now I've been backtesting volatility 25 and realized that it do a lot of liquidity sweep. It come and it do a lot of liquidity sweep, especially after the change of character happen. It just push down, take the last low, and then continue push back up. And a lot of that happen. A lot of that. Because enough people with an entire market right here. So as them entire market right here, so rise, reverse, take them stop loss, and then continue back up further. And price might come back and tap back right down to this level, but just let's just wait and see. Let's just track the lower highs. And another thing to know, guys, my pauses. Track your lower lows. Lower lows being broken, still in a downtrend. Lower lows being broken, still in a downtrend. Lower lows being broken, still in a downtrend. If price don't come back and break this lower low, then we know that price are reverse. So lower lows are being broken, we're still in a downtrend. Alright, so indicating. So if price wants to continue come down further, price will come back and break this lower low. Just to know, just to make you guys remember that too. Alright, pause. So we see that price starting to make higher lows, right? Higher lows and higher highs. So in my head, higher lows are being made. That means price now continue go down no further, right? Because we have higher lows being made. That means market want change trend, alright? Because the lows aren't being broken anymore. The lows are getting higher and the highs are getting higher. Alright, so if price over here, if price wanted to continue higher, it would indicate correct and then come back. It wouldn't break this low. It would have come back up and go up. But it break the low and go under, so we know that price is ready for reverse. And it come back and still break this low. But when price push up here, it come back, it didn't break this low. So what I'm looking now is for buy position to target up at this level. Just show. Alright, so enter buy, stop loss below here, so take profit up here, so or little higher. We'll see price play out. Guys, I'm gonna enter more enter neither because with the bar replay, you can't only you realize they only show the close of the candlestick, like you're not showing the candlestick a break nor anything. So yeah. So yeah, guys, yeah. If no need more of them video, let me know so I can post some more of these in the group and the group only. I'm not gonna post them on TikTok. You see me? So I'm gonna do these guys this until I don't understand ICC. Alright, your TP would I eat, but me drag my TP a little further. Because I know say when you make a higher high, then a higher low, it's gonna make another higher high. Alright, and then we can go so whoops and close out. And target here. Stop loss. Me put my stop loss below here. Which you could have put your stop loss. You could have put your stop loss below the last higher lower. So this would be a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 restore reward. My target look a higher, which is a 1 to 3, almost a 1 to 4. Alright guys, so I remember when correction happen, guys, only track the lows. Once lows are being broken, you know say correction over, because the high can be broke and then you jump in a trade and exit out. I always remember it will come back down where the breakout happen. Basically it will come back down to sweep the liquidity did this. So anyways, I'm gonna do some more. I try explain it to the best of my ability if you not can understand. So I'll probably edit that video and probably not edit it. I don't know. I'm posting a group. I'm just post it, so I don't know.